This is my son, William. He's made it. He's gonna help me with my drive. Yay! Hoo-hoo-hoo, okay. Well, we can take pictures off of this if you want.
Sure.
Stop cap. Well, my son and I, we walked to the top of South Knolls Point. And there he is in the background. I'll give you a 360. And I don't know if you can see. But way down there is my little rig. And there's the lake, the mountains. And I forgot the wind thing. Yay. Feels good to be up here with my son. Next we're going to go down and venture by the lake.